What's up YouTube? My name's Chris Underwood, artist from Windsor, Ontario, and in this week's video we're going to be doing a challenge video.
She's got me upside down again, just like a roller coaster, never want it over now.
I'm going to be doing the popular 10-minute, 1-minute, 10-second challenge. So if you guys don't know what it is you do 3 drawings. One you have 10 minutes to do, next one you only have a minute to do, and the last one you only have 10 seconds. You do the same subject matter in each of them and you compare your skills, and it's pretty cool. There's a lot of fun results out there. It's a lot of panic just trying to get something down, so let's see what I can come up with. Alright, let me get set up here. There we go. Alright, got my pencil, 10 minutes on the clock, let's go. Alright, pretty sure I'm going to be drawing an eye monster. Been doodling those lately. So let's see if I can get it to look pretty cool or something, get something out of it. I do enjoy drawing these eye monsters. I doodle them a lot. So hopefully I can make something cool. Into the 7-minute. Whew. Doing good, doing good.
Again on the track.
Just have him sitting on the ground, I guess. Just relaxing. He almost looks happy.
Okay. Whew. Alright guys, there we are with the 10-minute one. Got this little monster dude. He's got an eye. Only gave him 5 teeth. Could have gave him a little bit more. Got some good shading on him, I guess, for 10 minutes. Pretty happy with it. Just a cute little doodle of a monster. Alright, let's see what we can do in 1 minute. And go. Alright, going with the eye. Starting with the eye there. Just trying to roughly get the shape in. I can add in all the details later. Oh god. Oh god. Why am I so panicky? It's just a drawing. Okay, here we go. Oh god. Okay, eye's gotta look like it's sitting in. Alright, we're getting there, we're getting there. Go. Oh god! 10 seconds! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Here we go, here we go. Color in there. Okay. Damn. Alright, 1 minute went way quicker than I was expecting. Damn. That looks bad. I didn't even get in the overall shape. Oof. That was rough. That was a rough one. Alright, I'm nervous for the 10-second. Let's see what I can do. 10-second time. Alright guys. Whew. I'm ready, ready. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Face. Damn. Oh jeez. Okay, the panic is real. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how terrible that is. Damn. Okay guys, that was stressful. You don't even notice how short a minute is or even 10 seconds, like, until you're trying to draw something. Like, even 10 minutes, man, like, that was, like, it went by way quicker than I expected. I'm much more of a put on music, put on a podcast, something like that, zone out and just draw, no thinking. Right when you add in a time limit, man, does it get stressful. I had a lot of fun. It definitely pushes you to, like, try to figure out your drawings quicker and really make your lines work, because clearly you need to do them quick. Just boom, get it done. You can't just sit there and scrape at it and try to shape it out. But very fun challenge. I'm very disappointed in myself, but hopefully in the future I can improve. This was fun.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I put out a new video every week, and I will see you next time. She just wants belly rubs all the time.